How to create bulletproof financial and personal income streams online, and avoid making high-risk investments that rarely pay off. Let me tell you about the time I was homeless, after landing my dream job in a door-to-door commission-based job just in a week in another territory at a very young age. And what you can learn from it. This all unfolded about 8 years ago at the close of the year 2016. Here's the skinny. Everything started going to crap in my life. I just arrived Southfield, London with my mum. I just got a nice white-collar job in London Bridge. I honestly felt my life had just changed for the better. To add insult to injury, I also was homeless in the street of London, quit my newfound job London Street, still had to get job at night as a cleaner while sleeping in buses during the day, after 1 week of having a white-collar commission-based job in London Street. That's when I got so mad, I realized I needed to develop an autopilot way to make money that didn't involve doing things for other people. We quickly turned things around. I mastered the art of targeting an audience and figuring out what they would spend money on. I figured out how to leverage other people's ideas, funnels and blueprints. I got really good at marketing and joint establishments with successful entrepreneurs. And get paid while on a pajamas. Ultimately, I knew we'd turned a corner when I made more money in the last 4 months of 2021 than I made the previous 4 years combined. But don't just take my word for it, take a look at this. What do I want you to take away from all this? That's an easy one. You really can and should start developing your mindsets and skill sets. And that's why I want to teach you the steps for how to choose the right investments to accomplish your financial objectives. So you can create bulletproof financial and personal income streams online and avoid making high-risk investments that rarely pay off. How to create